Hi guys, this is a video of how to change an auxiliary battery for a Mercedes E-Class like this. They are located in 3 places. There's one that if your battery is in the trunk, I have noticed that it would be located next to the battery in the trunk. Your small auxiliary battery, if your battery is up front over there, it would be located right here under this panel right here. So and there's another location that it could be under the passenger seat. You would have to move. It just pops open. Okay, just get it closer to the clips. There you go. Oh, there you go. That's how it goes. Right there, right there, right there. Okay. Just yanked it out. It looked like it might have broke, but it did not. That's normal. There it is. There it is, right there. Right behind this little bolt. So you would have to take this down so you could drop it down because it won't fit through this hole. And you do that with a 10. With a little 10. There you go, that's it. That's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Take it down. And you can see the battery is already moving. Okay, you could take this out so it'll be easier. You don't have to, you could probably still take it. As you can see through this hole, I grabbed the battery from the bottom. There it is in my hand. You just take out these little red and black cables, little tiny cables, and you could take it out at the bottom. There it is, folks, the auxiliary battery. This is tiny, very, very tiny, smaller than I thought. Sorry, it's kind of hard to do this and record at the same time. I'm gonna test it out to make sure that it's bad. Maybe I can just charge it up and it'll last me for a while, so I don't have to replace it. If it's bad, I'll just buy a new one. You can buy it on eBay. It's like 40-50 bucks, not too bad. Yeah, very simple. Okay, and there's a little fuse over here in this battery too, so I just put it back just to see. All right, it works, and it works. So that's not the fuse, just to make sure. Okay, and as you guys can see, I got no battery in here. And it's safe to start the car if you need to. This little battery is only meant for when your main battery dies, so you're able to put your car into gear or into neutral, because this thing is not cable. The shifter to put it into park, it is not by cable, it is electrical, and you need that little battery to be able to put it into neutral if you need to like tow the car or whatever. Pretty sure it's meant for some more things than just that.